Doctor, can you please be honest with me? How much time do I have left?
I'm sorry to say this, but your cancer has progressed rapidly. Given the current situation, I would estimate you have about 24 hours left.
Only 24 hours? Is there anything at all that can be done?
I understand this is difficult to hear, but at this stage, there isn't much we can do in terms of conventional treatments.
What should I do now? I feel like I'm running out of time.
It's important to spend time with your loved ones and make peace with yourself. If there's anything specific you want to do or anyone you want to see, now would be the time.
Thank you, doctor, for being honest with me.
Of course, I'll do everything I can to make you as comfortable as possible. I have some unexpected news. We've received new information about a clinical trial that might be a potential option for you.
Really? What does this mean for me?
It means there's hope. The trial involves a promising new treatment that could significantly extend your life expectancy.
I can't believe this. After thinking I only had 24 hours left, to now having hope for the future.
It's a rare opportunity, but it's worth exploring. The treatment might not only extend your life, but also provide a chance for complete remission.
Thank you, doctor. I'm ready to fight this with everything I have.
That's the spirit. Let's get started on the necessary preparations for the trial. I have some incredible news. The initial results from the trial are very promising. Your tumor has shrunk significantly, and your overall health has improved.
I can't believe it. I feel like I've been given a second chance at life.
It's truly remarkable how well you've responded to the treatment. You're a fighter, and I have no doubt that you'll continue to do well.
Thank you for never giving up on me, doctor. I'm forever grateful for this opportunity.
It's been an honor to be part of your journey. Remember, we're in this together, and I'll be here every step of the way.